Do you have any idea what happens to you when you drink alcohol? Well, I'm going to tell you what happens to your body when you drink alcohol. When you drink, alcohol enters the bloodstream through your stomach and small intestine. Because it's a depressant, it enters your bloodstream and slows down the functions of your brain. And when you take your first drink, alcohol makes you so talkative and so overconfident that you feel as if you're the best in the world. But actually, you're not. It's just a feeling. And when you take your second drink, alcohol switches off the production of vasopressin. Vasopressin is the hormone which tells the kidneys how much urine it should produce. Alcohol switches off the production of vasopressin, which makes the kidneys confused and it starts to produce more urine. Alcohol is processed by your liver. And do you know it takes approximately 1 hour to just process one drink? If you take more than one drink in an hour, you're giving more alcohol which your liver cannot handle. Thus, your liver gets dehydrated and it starts absorbing water from your brain. And because the liver is absorbing water from your brain, the brain starts shrinking and the membranes are just struggling to attach it to the skull. When you wake up in the morning, you will have symptoms of nausea, dry mouth, and hangover. These symptoms will last for more than 24 hours, which will make you regret what you have done. And if you take more than 2 drinks, these symptoms will be worse and you will be a troublemaker for yourself as well as for others, and it can cost your life. So, make sure that you don't drink alcohol. Thank you.